What the hell's going on?
The U.S. Comedy Arts Festival tribute to
Monty Python!
What a lovely day.
starring John Cleese,
Terry Gilliam!
Eric Idle,
Derek Jones!
Michael Pylan,
And Ron Chapman!
and hosted by Robert Klein. Ladies and gentlemen, your host, Robert Klein.
Now, the thing is, normally, when I have a couch with 5 men who've reformed, it's a boy band. It's a boy band coming back.
Well, actually, we are a toy boy band.
You won't think me lazy. It's the last show of the year. I found some questions I asked the Backstreet Boys, and seriously, they're kind of applicable, so I might as well use them.
Yes.
So, lads, which of you do the girls still go the wildest for?
12.
Time, please. Oh, yes, here we are. Thank God. Yeah.
John, you have said, and I found this to be curious, that you prefer rude questions from journalists to polite ones. What are you talking about?
Well, if people say, what is your favourite sketch, you really don't like dogs, it doesn't lead anywhere. But
Right.
if somebody says, why have you been married so many times, why can't you... You know, it's much more interesting.
You prefer someone to say, instead of what's your favorite color, you'd like them to say, why have you been married so many times?
Yeah, well, it's more interesting, you know.
Yeah. You don't get upset when someone asks you that?
No, you couldn't upset me if you tried.
Okay. Why have you been married so many times?
Right, I'm off. Why have I been married so many times?
Yeah.
Yes.
Well, how about this?
I've been married for 34 years.
Yes.
Yeah.
To 4 different... Wait. To 4 different wives. Just adds them up, you know.
I'm married.
Yeah, you're
Well,
virtually a Muslim.
what is your favorite? Is that your favorite rude question? What's your favorite rude question the reporter ever asked you?
And don't ask him. How long have you been married to that dreadful woman?
I have been married to my gorgeous Chicago wife.
Yes.
Almost 40 years.
Your life is
Almost
lovely.
40 years.
She's here. Beautiful woman.
Then what are they clapping for? I mean, 40 years, that's a lack of imagination.
On the contrary, you need imagination to be with a woman for 40 years.
Yeah.
And I gave that woman 2 of the best years of my life.
One of my ex-wives died, you know, that it was very sad because it was the wrong one.
My God, all right.
I hope that one's watching.
Yeah.